Hello, this presentation is about introduction to DLATCH. So what is DLATCH? A DLATCH is an electronic device that stores one bit of information. It captures the logic level on the data, D, line when the clock input is high. While the clock is high, the output Q follows the D input even if D changes the state. D-latch eliminate the undesirable indeterminate state of an SR latch. It is to ensure that input S and R are never one at the same time. So this S is the set while the R is the reset. In the data, we have 0, 1, so the clock will be raised to up and the output will be 0, 1. The D input is sampled when enabled is equal to 1, and when the data is equal to 1, the output Q will be 1 and the circuit is the set state. When the data is equals to 0, the output Q is equals to 0 as well, and the circuit is in the reset state. This is my module for the DLATCH. The input data and the clock input, the output complement of the output, and the DLATCH behavior. Assign Q is for the clock, and assign Q is for complement. When clock is high, Q follows the data. And for the assign Q complement and end module. So this is my test bench for the DLATCH, and we will try to run this one in Verilog. So the code have input data, input clock, input Q, and the output Q and the output complement. This initial begin, it will display the time, the data, the clock, and the Q and Q complement. And as you can see, the time here is 0 up to 60 because it is the time. We have 60 seconds, and the data is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. The clock. Thank you.